Good day, matters. For today's video, we are going to discuss about fraction. Okay? So if you can still remember, sa ating last video, we discussed about how to find the LCM of whole numbers. So before tayo mag-operate of fractions like mag-plus, minus, times, or divide, so we have to, we have to master first the types of fractions, parts of fraction, and etc. And then after that, pag atin lang na-master yung fraction itself, yung concept, so we'll be doing like simplifying fractions na. Are you ready? Okay, you have to be ready. So let's start. Pag sinabing fraction, it is defined as part of a whole. Okay? Example, we have 1/2 and 3/4. So, part lang siya ng whole. So, just like if uh, we're going to divide a whole pizza, okay? Kung yung isang pizza, it is divided into 8 equal parts, tapos yung sayo, 2 slices lang, so automatic, part lang yung napunta sa'yo sa whole pizza. Okay, yan yung ibig sabihin ng fraction. Okay? Sige. So let's proceed na sa parts of fraction. First, we have the numerator. So pag sinabing numerator, it is the total equal parts being taken. So yung example ko kanina, pag yung isang whole pizza na i-divide into 8 equal parts, so tapos yung 2 slices na punta sa iyo, so yun yung numerator, yung 2 slices. Okay, example, we have the fraction 2/3. Okay, yung upper part is said to be the numerator. Okay, next, denominator. It is defined as the total number of equal parts in a whole. So, kung ilang equal parts yung whole nga divide siya, automatic yun yung denominator. Yung kanina sa pizza, okay? I-divide siya into 8 equal parts. So, yung 8 doon, equal parts, yun yung denominator. Okay, another example, we have 2/3. So, the lower part of a fraction is said to be the denominator. So, in 2/3, 3 there is the denominator. Okay? Sige. Dapat yun ha. Inyong ma-familiarize ang parts kay gamit kayo ni siya once mag-deal mo fractions, mag-solve mo fractions. Now, let's proceed na sa kinds of fractions. First, we have proper fraction. Proper fraction is a fraction in which the numerator is less than the denominator. So, yung upper part is mas maliit kaysa sa lower part. Example, 5/10. So, mas maliit yung nasa taas kaysa sa baba. That's proper. Okay? Pag merong proper, meron din namang improper. Pag sinabing improper fraction, the numerator is greater than the denominator. So, kabaliktaran sa proper. Example, we have 11/6. So, the numerator 11 is greater than the denominator 6. Another mixed fraction or mixed number, it is the combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. Okay. So, in this case, meron tayong whole number at saka proper fraction. Example, 3 and 1/2. So, the whole dito is 3 and 1/2 is the proper fraction. Mas maliit yung nasa itaas kaysa sa baba. That's mixed fraction or mixed number. Okay? Next. Next, we have similar fractions. Fractions are said to be similar if meron silang the same denominator, parehas yung kanilang baba na value. Okay, example, we have 1/5 and 2/5. Okay, pwede rin namang like more than 2 fractions, di ba? 3 fractions and so on. Pero pag isa lang yung given, we can't say that similar ba or not. Kasi nga, isa lang naman yung fraction. Dapat at least 2 fractions yung binigay. Okay? Lastly, we have the similar fractions. These are fractions with different denominators. Example, 1/10 at saka 2/6. So the same as sa similar fractions, dapat at least 2 fractions yung given para masasabi natin na dissimilar ba or not ang fractions na yan. Pag isa lang, hindi pwede. Kasi ah, wala mo tayong ma-compare. Okay? Sige. So again, students or matters, ang gagawin nyo lang is that i-familiarize itong parts ng fraction tapos yung kinds ng fractions kasi nga magamit ito sila soon kung mag-solve na taog fractions. Okay? Paki-like and share ani nga video para daghan po ang makatuon about fraction, and then see you sa next video. Kaya sa next video, mag-discuss na tayo kung saan pag-convert si improper fraction to mix or vice versa. Which is magamit na siya if mag-operita or mag-simplify tag fractions. See you and God bless. Goodbye.